This is the Parrot Disco. And have you ever wished you could fly further and you wouldn't lose video signal after just a few hundred meters? Now you can. Let me show you how you can get unlimited range. I have modified the software and I added hardware for about $40 to $50 so it can be flown over 4G LTE mobile networks. The cool thing about it is you still get a clear video signal and you can control it while your disco might be miles away. You can see the two antennas coming out of my canopy cover. So let me show you what you need. We have these antennas attached to the 4G USB modem. I put some glue to hold everything in position. The modem is plugged into a jack via a small USB cable. So just like any mobile phone, this modem requires a SIM card inside. The Skycontroller 2 is currently connected to my disco over Wi-Fi. The power button appears green. Next, we need to bridge the connection from the controller to the mobile network, for which I will use my iPhone. I simply need to enable personal hotspot first. And to switch into 4G mode, simply press the settings button twice. The controller is now connecting to my phone via Wi-Fi. This is shown by the flashing magenta LED. Once it's connected to my phone, it flashes in blue, which just happened. It's connected here, and now it's flashing in blue. It is now establishing a connection to the disco via 4G cell towers, and this process will take a couple of seconds. If you watched my previous video, the Raspberry Pi used to bridge the connection is no longer required, and the exciting part is anyone can try this mod now. You will find the software, hardware recommendation and detailed instruction online at uavpal.com. Come and join our community. Okay, now the LED is solid blue. It means that the controller is connected to my disco over the mobile network. Let's wait for a couple more seconds and we should see, here we go, you should see the video stream on my iPad with FreeFly Pro on it. The disco is already on setup, it is turned on and I've already switched it into 4G LTE mode. You can see the video stream here, and let's try this. I can also show you the latency. It's about the same as the normal Wi-Fi connection. Alright, I think we're ready. Okay, what I want to show you is the latency or the delay you will get when controlling the plane over 4G. So you can see what's the latency like. Now I go up, down, up, down, up. So I can't really tell the difference between the 4G latency and the normal Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so what I would like to show you now is this connection test. So what happens if we lose the 4G connection while we're flying the plane. So I put it up there into loitering mode, but it's connected via 4G. I got the blue light and I got my personal hotspot enabled on my iPhone. So I would just simply disable personal hotspot. As you can see, immediately my video stream stops. So this will put the plane into return to home mode because there's no connection. At the same time, I will double press my settings button
So my Skycontroller will reconnect to the Parrot Disco using the normal Wi-Fi connection.